At a vibrant kitchen fiesta, the smart refrigerator conducts a symphony with the toaster and oven, each playing their unique tunes. The blender contributes with a rhythmic whir, creating an amusing kitchen soundtrack. In a humorous twist, the fridge harmonizes the gadget's melodies, while delivering a motivational beat on energy efficiency and healthy choices, urging everyone to reduce waste. The refrigerator hilariously showcases how eating greens can strike the right chord for energy conservation. With a final orchestral crescendo, it invites tech enthusiasts to join the smart living bandwagon, leaving the audience chuckling and inspired.